So, actually, I should talk about this. See, falling in love is not a thermodynamic phenomena, right? Falling in love is kind of emotional and physical phenomena. Nowadays, we are in online sessions, so mostly it is emotional phenomena. Okay, now come to the point. See, if you have seen the thumbnail that I am going to share my own story, so of course I am not going to reveal her name. Of course, I am not going to reveal my story. Everyone is having past, and here actually see I'm taking classes for Gate Aerospace around 6 7 years, and almost every year I see this situation. Like in my class I see, like, slowly couples are growing. I mean, when they are coming to the class they are totally unknown, and after a few weeks or few months, and slowly situation is like falling in love, talking late nights, and and how will it start? This will start with, actually, see, uh, what I'm trying to say, that how the love session will start during gate session. Any one of them, either girl or boy, will be in need of study material. For example, notes, right? Or uh, maybe mostly, like, because I am a guy, so I should talk about guys. Maybe everyone is not like me, but of course, situation is very similar. Mostly boys will approach, right? Okay. See, watch this video till the end. I don't know how long this video will be. I don't know, like, around 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, but it will be interesting video. Okay, see now. When one person is approaching another one because of something, there will be nothing intentional. Sometimes it can be intentional also. Sometimes, definitely, sometimes it can be intentional. But sometimes, like, okay, it is genuinely they are asking any kind of material, study material, something, and because of that they will come closer. Okay, if you have done thermodynamics, then you should know this. If you will go from solid phase to liquid phase, your entropy will increase. So if you are falling in love, your entropy will decrease, because two people come closer. Okay, so you can say that entropy decreases when people fall in love. Okay, this is my way. I I want to talk something very special here. When you are in love, before joining gate class, and your partner is not from your class, then this video is not for you. This video is especially for those people, they are totally unknown to each other, and they join my class, and they become friend, and after that, slowly they will convert into girlfriend boyfriend, and they may come into proper stable relationship. Okay, see now, because I am talking about falling in love during gate preparation is healthy or harmful. See, I am not talking about falling in love situation. I am talking about falling in love during gate preparation, and that also with your classmate of the same coaching center. Okay, imagine you guys are talking. I mean, you guys started talking, started sharing notes, and started sharing concepts, and on phone call, on audio video call, you started clearing some. I mean, you guys started talking about some subject, some concept discussion or something, and slowly, then session will start. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Mele babu ne thana thaya. These things will start slowly, and then what will happen? Imagine a situation. If everything is going well, if everything is going well, then uh, it is if both are doing well, then definitely both will clear gate exam. And suppose one is going to different IIT, one is going to different IIT, then okay, this part I will take later. This is again interesting story. Okay, suppose if things are going well. Suppose, for example, suppose you started your preparation in July month, And you know that in Feb month, every year in Feb month first week we used to have GATE exam, and till December everything was going well. Till December everything was going well. मेरे बाबू ने थाना थाया, वो सब भी हो रहा था. हाउ आर यू बेबी, वो सब भी हो रहा था. आई कांट लिव विदाउट यू, यू नो, वी विल गो टू सेम IIT, we will have this future, will become parents, will become grandparents, like everything was going well. Okay, kids name will be this. Okay, but you know what, actually when you are preparing for GATE exam, then there will be lot of situations, there will be a lot of situations where anyone, either girl or boy, anyone will not feel good because of the preparation. I mean, they will be having preparation pressure. So actually what happens in the beginning, your love versus weeks graph if you will draw, then in the beginning it grows exponentially, and after that it grows linearly. Then there will be a saturation point. After that it will be a constant line. Weeks are going, and your because whatever the closest point between two person, that will come. Okay, after that you cannot go beyond that entropy, right? So that is the minimum entropy you can achieve in your relationship. So after that your relationship will not improve. So till here nothing is wrong, you are safe side. But suppose December came, imagine December came, and during December any one of you are being panicked because of your unhealthy preparation. I mean, you are not able to complete the syllabus, or you are not able to complete something. So slowly any one of them will show frustration because of the problem in the study. Because both of you are dedicated. If anyone is not dedicated, then no problem. In case if both are you dedicated, then any one of you will not feel, in case I am talking, in case if any one of you is not comfortable, then what will happen? Then slowly one person who is not feeling good about study, they will feel nervous, they will feel uncomfortable. Maybe there can be situation that that person can say that, come on man, you are already well prepared, you are going to clear GATE exam, what about me? Then what will you say as a partner? Come on baby, we will do it, right? I will make you to understand, or sir is there, right? They will help us. I mean, this kind of things, right? What else you will say? But main thing is, the person who is not feeling comfortable with the preparation, he or she can't feel comfortable with relationship. This is true. So what will happen when the December month will grow? Then after that, what will happen to this graph? Actually, what will happen to this graph, I will tell you. From this point I am drawing the graph. Slowly, linearly you will come down. In this time, you may be calling, she may be calling, she may be calling, you may be calling, he may be calling. So slowly, but relationship is going downward. Now see, if one person is very serious about relationship because he or she forgot the dream of cracking GATE exam, and now he or she is giving more more dedication towards the relationship, then another person who was already doing good in GATE exam, about the GATE exam, now their preparation will fall down. Now see, one person is not experiencing well, because of that their performance is going down, because of that they are being frustrated, they are not feeling good, because of that relationship is being unhealthy, and because of that another person will automatically be disturbed. And once you are disturbed, it means you are in danger zone. Okay, if everything is healthy, if both are very good, then no problem, then both of you will clear a GATE exam, and then parents and grandparents, kids, everything. Okay, and if you are from my coaching center, then definitely you will call me to visit your uh, uh, marriage, I mean all these functions, and definitely I'll visit with the gift and I'll be happiest person. But what if one person is feeling disturbed because of that relationship became disturbed, and now relationship gone, I mean is being disturbed, then after that, you know what, then you will be having some transition state. In this transition state, what happens? Big fight. Big fight, man. After that big fight, quickly your relationship zero, finish, nothing. Now this will happen within 15 to 20 days, and this transition will go only for 1 or 2 days. Okay, this growing phase, how long will it take, and this constant phase, how long it takes, it depends on person to person. But this phase is very dangerous and almost similar for every couple. Now you see, when you started your preparation, then I will draw mood versus weak graph. Your mood was at extreme level, and if you have joined my coaching center, then definitely you can feel that you were learning a lot. Every day you were learning, so your mood was being boosted. I mean, mood to study more, mood to learn more, work out more and more and more. But after that, when you came into relationship with your classmate, then this slope will decrease. The slope will decrease. I'm not saying slope will be zero, slope will decrease. And after some days, it depends on person to person. If you are being focused towards them, then definitely your mood will not improve like that, like the previous one. So you can consider slope is almost zero. And after that, the December month will come and quickly will come down. Now you see what happened to your dream. So my strong suggestion is, until and unless you guys are not clearing GATE exam with amazing rank, don't create such situations where both of you will lose your rank. And see, GATE is not happening every week. It is happening once in a year, and you should definitely know the value of 1 year in your life. In this 1 year, you have to achieve something, and that achievement must be greater than anything. Because my mother tongue is Hindi, so I should say something in Hindi. तुमको एक चीज़ पता होनी चाहिए, जब भी ऐसा डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो तुम्हारी लाइफ में, तो तुमको ये बोलना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा ड्रीम उससे भी खूबसूरत है जिसके पीछे तुम पढ़ रहे हो, जिससे तुमको प्यार हो रहा है. मतलब एक हो गया उसकी ब्यूटी और एक हो गया तुम्हारे ड्रीम की ब्यूटी. तो तुम्हारे ड्रीम से सुंदर वो नहीं है, चाहे वो कोई लड़का हो चाहे वो कोई लड़की हो. Okay, now I'll speak in English. My only point is, your dream must be more beautiful than that girl or boy. And who will make the dream beautiful? Only you are, right? If you are just imagining to crack GATE exam, don't imagine that. Increase your level. Try to think like you have to be the topper, then only you will work out. If your dream is very small, you will work very small. You will put little hard work. But if you will target that no, I have to be in top 10, then suddenly the energy will come in you, and you will leave everything and you will focus on your GATE exam. My point is, being in a relationship during GATE exam, okay, I am summarizing. Being in a relationship during GATE exam is not advisable. Why? Because if everything is going good, then no problem. But what if anything will go wrong? Then it will spoil. You cannot sacrifice even 1 week during, see, from November to January, these months are extremely critical months. In these 3 months, you can't take any chance, right? And I don't know, again, I'm saying it depends on person to person. There are situations I have seen where one person have left GATE exam and another person could not qualify GATE exam, and they both were extremely good aspirant about GATE exam. That's all.